Hey guys, Jason Creel, you're watching Lawn Care Life. I am wanting to show you today some different weeds and grass types. I'm going to try to identify them based on the seed head so I can show you the difference. I want to show you how easy it is to identify these and not to get them confused if you let them grow out a little bit and actually look at the seed head. Let's take a look at several different grass types and weeds today in this particular lawn. So, and this yard needs, you know, a lot of work, so it's a good one to find grass and weeds. So if you walk through here, you see you've got, you know, some zoysia grass here, and I'm not sure, it doesn't look like it's grown enough to put out a seed head, but mixed in with it you've got dallisgrass. And so you can see what the dallisgrass seed head looks like. You know, a big tall stalk puts off the perpendicular seed heads with the black. So it typically looks just like this. And dallisgrass is not that hard to identify, but when it puts out this seed head, it makes it very obvious. And it typically has these three sections to it. So I think what I'll do, I'll collect these as I go along so that we can, at the end, compare them side by side. All right. And then sometimes, if you know, I think I can see some people walking through a yard like this and they say, okay, so I've got, you know, zoysia over here. Now it looks like I'm getting into something that looks kind of like centipede, but it's not centipede. And when you find the seed head, you know, if you see that from a distance, it does look like centipede. But when you get up here close to it and you see this seed head, it's actually carpetgrass, and carpetgrass has that Y shape, but then it has the one extra little kicker coming off of the main stem there. So that is carpetgrass. Carpetgrass, you know, I try to get rid of it out of lawns because I'm trying to, you know, if it's growing in a bermuda or centipede or whatever, I'm trying to get rid of the carpetgrass so the rest of the grass can fill in. This is a great product to get rid of carpetgrass in your lawn. That one doesn't have a seed head, but that's broom sedge, one of my arch enemies. So I'm going to show you another example of how the carpet grass, you know, if you get down here and you look at it, I mean, there's weeds involved in it, but you've got the seed head here. And then just right over here past it, you actually do have centipede grass. You know, like I said, they look fairly similar, but much different seed head. And so this is what centipede looks like. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Not anything like the actual carpet grass. So you got carpet grass, centipede. Carpet grass, centipede. So it becomes very easy to tell the plant apart when you look at the seed head. Because like I said, that's centipede grass. And this is carpet grass. So they do favor. But again, look at that seed head. A Y with a kicker. And then one of the easy ones, for me at least, is the bahaigrass. It's just a straight up Y. Usually the base of the plant, if you were to pull it up, have some pinkish purple color down close to the roots. See what I mean? Pinkish purple. And a Y stalk. Very easy to identify. I use metsulfuron on it, MSM turf, at 1/4 ounce per acre will usually at least, if it not kill it, it'll at least stunt its growth where it'll quit putting up these seed heads. Because you know how it is, you cut the grass and like 3 days later it's put these tall stalks back up again. Now I found some crabgrass. You can see here what its seed head looks like. And see, that would be, you're not going to confuse that with, you know, a lot of people call dallisgrass crabgrass or crabgrass dallisgrass, or, you know, and they don't look that much alike, to be honest with you, but you definitely can tell a huge difference in the actual seed head. And then lastly, I'm going to show you bermuda grass. You know, just, and so you can see how it, you see the seed head here on bermuda. I had a customer one time, he sent me a picture of his bermuda grass, and it had these all throughout it because he hadn't cut the grass lately. And he's basically saying, I got all these weeds in my yard. I said, oh no, that's the actual seed head off of Bermuda. You basically need to cut your grass. All right, let's see what we learned today. In no particular order. See if we can get these right. This one with the Y is bahaigrass. Remember, it has a little pinkish purple tint to it. Then you got this one, crabgrass. You got this one we just looked at. That's Bermuda. You got this one, a Y with a kicker. That's carpetgrass. Got this one, Y with a kicker, still carpetgrass, just seeing if you're paying attention. And got this one, big thick stalk with, typically has 3 perpendicular extensions from it. That's dallisgrass. Alright, Dallas, carpetgrass, Bermuda, crabgrass, bahaigrass. Hope the video's been helpful for you. Now that you know how to identify some of these common grassy weeds in your lawn and not to get confused with the grasses in your lawn. If you know what kind of weed you have, like for instance on the carpetgrass, if you say, oh, I've got carpetgrass, that's not actually centipede grass, that's carpetgrass. I need to use Celsius to get rid of the carpetgrass. So if you understand what you got, you can know then how to get rid of it. Hey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell beside the subscribe button. I've got other videos on weed control, weed identification, things like that. There should be some suggested videos popping up for you now. Hey, let me hear from you in the comments if you have any thoughts on these type videos. Are these helpful for you? And we will talk to you later. Thanks.